feels like the end of an era. The last time that we'll be together might sneak up on us overnight.
Hi guys, hope you're doing good. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time you're watching me. So welcome back to my channel. This is Chero, and karibuni for the new subscribers. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, I have a couple of errands to run in town, and I want to take you guys along. I need to go to the post office. I don't even remember the last time I went to the post office to post or to send a letter out. So yeah, I need to go send some success card for some of my family members who are doing their class 8s, and then I think I'll pass by the supermarket. I don't know, I'll definitely show you. And then I need to do my nails. They're in a terrible state, so I'm going to be taking you guys along. So yeah, let's head to town, and then we'll see how the day. So I finally arrived at the post office, but the queue was very long. So I decided to go and run some other errands and also get my nails done. And then I'll be coming back later on to post the success card.
Every milestone in our lives, you're all grown up, moving on. You found exactly where you belong, and I know that we'll still have our ties. So while we're here, let's give a cheer to everything we've gone through. I can't lie, I'm sad to see you go, but I just want you to know how much you mean to me, how much I'll still need you.
So I was also looking for some throw pillow covers, and unfortunately this shop didn't have exactly what I wanted, but I was able to also check out on what they have in stock in terms of these 4 plants.
Isn't it? This is it. I guess I forgot to say that I know you'll be phenomenal. They don't even realize just what you're capable of. If I don't remember to say goodbye, I hope that's okay, 'cause that makes it all too real for me. I can't lie, I'm sad to see you go, but I just want you to know how happy I am for you. I wish the best for you. Can't lie, my heart is broken. Won't leave these things unspoken. I know you'll have to leave. I just can't believe that this is it, isn't it? This is it. This is it, isn't it? This is it. This is it, isn't it? This is it. This is it. This is it. Isn't it? It's been a week, but it feels so much longer. And knowing that you're not alone makes it harder. They say to wait as long as it takes, but you didn't wait. You're over there posting pictures beside her, and I'm still here learning how to live without you. It's not that easy, it's hard to believe that you're over me. Tell me, is it real love? Or is she just a shortcut? Was being alone too much, that you had to find a shortcut, a shortcut?
So finally, I went back to the post office and I was able to send out the success card, and it was a very quick and easy process, because I had mentioned it's been long since I posted a letter. Anyway, after that, I went for some shopping for the house, just some few stuffs here and there.
Was being alone too much that you had to find a shortcut, a shortcut.
Hi guys, hope you're doing good. So I'm just catching up with the vlog. I'm at the apartment. I just came to check if everything is in order. So you can see I'm at the apartment. I just came to check if everything is okay, because we didn't have any bookings for today. So the cleaning was done in the morning. So as I had mentioned in my previous video, I like coming to check if the cleaning has been done thoroughly. So I'm just passing by the apartment to check if everything is okay for the next booking. And then I've not had anything to eat, but I'm trying to eat some Skittles. I know it's not good and everything, but I'm hungry, and these are the only things that I have in my bag. Anyway, let me just check and then I head home.
And that you're not alone makes it harder. They say to wait as long as it takes.
So it has started raining. I think I'll just lounge here for a while before I go. So it's around like around 1 and it's already raining. And nowadays the weather has completely changed. But anyway, I'm going to lounge here for a while, and then once it stops raining, then I can head home before my daughter gets off school.
Tell me, is it real love? Or is she just a shortcut? Was being alone too much that you had to find a shortcut, a shortcut.
Guys, so I want to leave because it has stopped raining, and also I've just been called. There's something that I had ordered, and it's being dropped in like 20 minutes. So yeah, I need to go reach home before they arrive. So yeah, let's head home, and then I'll be showing you what I got, because I think this was a very good deal compared to what I have been or the survey I have been doing. I believe I got a very nice deal. So I'll be showing you guys what exactly I got. So yeah, let's head home.
You moved on, you moved on, you moved on too fast. No, but I'm better than that.
Hi guys, I'm back home, and I just want to show you some of the things that I got. It was just a quick shopping of the things that I didn't have in the house, so I was just stocking up. So the first thing I got is this chocolates, and then I got vanilla essence. I got blue band. Then I got fresher milk. I got 2 packets. And then these dairy fresh for my daughter. And then I got some bananas, bread, and yogurt. Tomatoes, these were going for 50 bob. And then also these onions, they were going for 50 bob. Yeah, and then the other thing that I got, let me just show you. The other thing that I got is this what is it called, toilet mat, the one that you put outside the toilet or the bathroom, outside the bathroom, sorry, when you're done showering, you just step on it. So I got this one. It was going for 150. These are second hand stuff. And then I also got this purple one. This purple one is very soft and very fluffy. This one was going for 300 bob. Yeah. So basically that is what I got. And then the stuff that I was telling you that I'm waiting for, I'm just waiting for it to be delivered. So hi guys, so this was finally delivered. So I got this recently. I bought what is it called, the 4-burner cooker that has an oven, and I wanted to get this what is this called, gas, 13 kg. So I got this top gas, and then a friend of mine connected me to where I can get a very nice deal. Okay, so the deal is, when I bought this 13 kg gas, it came with the regulator. Don't know if you can see. So it came with the regulator, okay, and it came with this pipe. And then what surprised me the most is this gas cooker, this top gas cooker. Let me just turn it first of all. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So apart from the 13 kg gas that I got the regulator, I got the pipe, and then this is the best thing ever. This is the gas cooker top, the one that's 2-burner. It's a 2-burner. So yeah, and the total amount for this was 8,000 Kenya shillings. So that was still a very nice deal. So yeah, my friend hooked me up and I was able to save on some coins. 13 kg gas cylinder filled with gas. It's not empty, it has gas. You can see the seal, it's still there. And then the regulator and the pipe and the 2-burner. So that was a save for me. 8,000 Kenya shillings for this. So let's unbox it and see how it looks like. Oops. So yeah, this is it. Very simple gas stove. Okay, very simple. And then I think these are the, let me just remove it from the box, but you can see it so far. That's how it looks. Let me remove it from the box, and then we get to see it outside the box. So it's a bit dusty, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So these ones you put on top there, and then this one you put on top there. So yeah, it's very dusty as you can see, but yeah, this thing is functioning perfectly. So I don't know what I'll do with this, but we shall see. But I'm so happy I was able to get these on a save. I was able to save a few coins here and there, and I'm glad. So hi guys, it's very cold and I just had to put on this jacket. But yeah, I'm just here to end the video, and thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate the support, and I'll definitely be catching you on the next video. Bye.
Longer, and knowing that you're not alone makes it harder.